Hello everyone, this is 3D Smithy in my first ever video on YouTube. Well, first ever made too. Someday I'll try to explain why I decided to publish video, but today let's go straight to main subject, 3D printing in general, to be specific Prusa MK2s and Multi Material upgrade unboxing. Is it so important to actually make video about it? Well, I think yes. MK2s is my awaited update that I hope will make the printer quieter and I hope even more reliable. Once this is achieved and under control, I will update it with Multi-Material. Next step is 2.5 and related material upgrade. But I think I can make a good use of MK2s till Mark 2.5 shipment, hopefully in January 2018. Now let's get to the hardware. First, MK2s, less hot this time, but still relevant. First, let's move away the multi-material 2 boxes. Now, MK2s. This is a simple, small box, but contains a lot of good things. First, U-bolts, bolts, nuts, drills, everything that you need to assemble the whole MK2s update. Then the bearings, nicely packed and each separately, looks nice. Let's see how they look inside. Shouldn't probably do it, hopefully nothing will get inside. Looks good, clean, good quality actually. Now, big portion of the ABS, orange color, directly from Prusa. Hopefully we'll print from this good quality parts for the update. And the last thing is nicely packed in this box, rods, smoothed, polished. Hopefully we'll end up with creating even more quieter printer, which my family should enjoy. Let's pack everything back and make some place for multi-material upgrade. Now let's get to multi-material upgrade. You are getting 2 boxes. First is the motors and multiplexers, and a second tools, parts, etc. Everything in those 2 boxes. Let's start from this one first. So what's inside? 3 motors, each one for extruder, each one for different material. Now electronics to provide correct signals to each motor. The 4th motor that will be used for the last color is already the one that it's assembled into your printer. Okay, looks, everything is here, nicely packed, everything is secured, nothing should be damaged with this kind of packing through the shipment process. And I know sometimes it can be hard. Okay, additional wires. Okay, the last box contains all the parts and of course some goodies. Good Haribo. That will make it even more nicer to assemble the printer. Congratulations on getting the multi-material upgrade. Important things: check the forum, check the manual, check the Prusa 3D.com. That should be a good point for all of us when we're starting to assemble the printer. Then the multi-material upgrade handbook, nicely prepared as always, full instructions, filament tips, instruction for the software, nice first prints, possibilities, settings, error guidance, solving error guidance, and list of tested filaments. Pretty long list for the future. Now, parts. Some parts for the filament holders, then the multiplexer, extruder, S holder, multiplexer itself, S holder, second back, electronics, that's actually just cover for electronics, and the tools, that's always good to have. Not saying that you all don't have it in your do-it-yourself shops. Some additional screws and zip ties, extruder parts, including pulley sets, PDFF tubes, screws, springs, everything is inside nicely packed and pretty good labeled. Then S holder parts, again, tubes, bearings, and the second part, S holder. Yep, everything is there. What I can say about the quality of packing is what Prusa already showed us before. Everything is nicely packed, everything is nicely labeled, and it's following pretty nice the instruction that you will get for each step of the assembly. Electronics, everything is getting back to the box, and hopefully soon we will start the assembly. Now, after the unboxing of the multi-material upgrade, let me just tell what are the next steps. First, MK2s will update the printer that is already waiting for the ABS filament to print the new parts. Then we will test the noise reliability test with different models. Hopefully we'll get really good results, and once this will be under control and stable, we will update the MK2s with multi-material. Then check the issues that are already reported, calibrate it, test, and see how it prints in different models. Last but not least, we will be waiting for MK3. November is already here. I'm waiting for this printer, and I will post videos with this printer as soon as I will get it shipped. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment below and subscribe for new videos. Take care and hope to see you next time.